What if the key to unlocking your full potential lies within? What if true empowerment starts with how you treat your body and mind? We often search for external validation, but real strength comes from within. It's about embracing who you are, pushing your limits, and realizing you are capable of amazing things. Fitness is more than just physical. It's about harnessing your inner power. It's about pushing past your comfort zone and realizing you're stronger than you thought. Each drop of sweat, every muscle engaged, is a victory. It's a testament to your willpower, resilience, and unwavering spirit. This journey isn't about fitting into a mold. It's about breaking free from expectations. Celebrate your body and all it can achieve. Find joy in movement in the way your body responds to challenge. This is about reclaiming your power, one step, one rep, one breath at a time. Movement is medicine. It's a celebration of what your body can do. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park, an energetic dance class, or lifting weights, find what brings you joy. Make time for yourself, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Consistency is key. Small, sustainable changes lead to lasting results. Begin with simple routines that fit into your lifestyle. Maybe it's a 15-minute walk during your lunch break or a quick yoga flow before bed. The important thing is to move your body regularly. As you grow stronger, so will your confidence. You'll surprise yourself with what you can accomplish. This newfound strength will spill over into other areas of your life. You'll stand taller, speak with conviction, and go after your goals with unwavering determination. Don't shy away from weights. Building strength is about empowering yourself from the inside out. It's about feeling capable and strong in your own skin. And it has incredible benefits for your overall health and well-being. Weight training helps build lean muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism and helps with weight management. It strengthens your bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. But the benefits go beyond the physical. Lifting weights can boost your mood, reduce stress, and improve your sleep quality. The feeling of accomplishment after a challenging workout is empowering. You'll realize you are capable of so much more than you thought possible. This newfound strength will translate into other areas of your life, giving you the confidence to tackle challenges head-on. Section 4. Cardio fueling energy and confidence. Cardiovascular exercise is like a burst of energy for your body and mind. Whether it's running, swimming, cycling, or dancing, find an activity that gets your heart pumping. Cardio is not just about burning calories, it's about invigorating your spirit. Regular cardio workouts improve your cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. They boost your mood by releasing endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. And they increase your energy levels, helping you power through your day with more vitality. Cardio is a fantastic way to clear your head, relieve stress, and gain a fresh perspective. As you push your physical limits, you'll find mental blocks melting away. This clarity and focus will empower you to make decisions with confidence and approach life's challenges with a positive mindset. Section 5. Mind-body connection. Yoga and Pilates. Yoga and Pilates are transformative practices that connect your body and mind. These practices focus on controlled movements, deep breathing, and mindfulness. They enhance flexibility, improve posture, and strengthen your core. Yoga and Pilates teach you to be present in your body, to listen to its signals. This heightened awareness helps manage stress and reduce anxiety. The deep breathing exercises calm the nervous system, promoting a sense of inner peace and tranquility. The benefits of yoga and Pilates extend far beyond the mat. These practices cultivate self-awareness, body positivity, and a deep sense of inner peace. They empower you to connect with your true self, fostering a sense of confidence that radiates from within. Section 6. Embrace your power. You are stronger than you think. You are capable of amazing things. Embrace the power of fitness and witness the incredible transformation in your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Start small, be consistent, and celebrate every victory along the way. Find joy in movement, connect with your inner strength, and watch your confidence soar. Remember, this is about so much more than how you look. It's about how you feel, This is your journey to empowerment. Embrace it, own it, and unleash the incredible power that resides within you.